Ladies and gentlemen, gather round for the debut of a Euro legend on steroids, the 2025 Adria SuperTwin, the first Mercedes-Benz Sprinter-based camper from Adria. And I swear, it drives smoother than my neighbor Greg's Tinder game. And he's been ghosted in 12 countries. Before I blow your minds with specs, comforts, and why this van could single-handedly end your hotel addiction, do us a solid. Hit that subscribe button right now. It's free. Unlike Greg's excuses, smash that like too, or Greg might send you voice notes from the road. Now, the SuperTwin. This isn't your grandma's camper. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it offers 4x4 capability that laughs in the face of muddy trails. Adria's gone full posh Eurotech with this beast. All-wheel drive, matte bumpers, raised chassis, electronic sidestep. It's like a luxury penthouse piggybacking on an off-road tank. Starting at $129,000 USD, 123,000 euros. It's pricier than a Fiat-based van, but way more capable, especially if you like your freedom on rocks, not asphalt. The interior? Chef's kiss. Swivel seats, a skylight lit dinette, a galley so clean, it makes your Airbnb look like a garage sale, and a wet bath tucked in back. There's a raised east-west bed, and below it, a mini garage for your bikes, gear, or Greg's broken ego. And let's not forget the skylights and soundproof composite walls. I think this is one of the most sleep-friendly interiors I've seen in a camper this size. Now, while the van includes Truma diesel heating, 230 volts outlets, and outdoor shower plumbing, there's no built-in off-grid power system. But hey, grab a portable solar station and you're good to go. I believe this camper is built for that sweet spot of rugged adventure and classy comfort. Bottom line, Adria's SuperTwin is a luxurious Eurovan with serious all-terrain teeth. If you don't love it, just remember, Greg probably will. There's a link under the video with all the juicy extras and, of course, how to become a sponsor. Just $1 a month, less than Greg spends on beard oil. That link is below, right next to his dating profile. Probably.